This is what people think JDM nights in Japan look like. Crazy cars, crazy atmosphere, pure vibes. But what nobody tells you is that if you book the wrong tour, you don't just miss out, you ruin the whole night. This is Santiago, and this is what happened to him. Not on a tour, but with a car. And trust me, if you're planning a JDM tour in Japan, there are few things you need to know.
What's up?
We booked the JDM Tour.
Yes, sir.
And we have a real customer. He's running around somewhere there.
Yep.
And you're the host.
Yes, sir.
Right? And hence I'm discovering car culture all over the world. I think this is the only city I know personally where this is possible.
Yes, sir.
Right? So I would love to hear from your side before we come to your tours, what we speak later when we are at the Tokyo Tower, right? Because it's part of the tour. I would love if you could recommend the people some do's and don'ts and what to watch out when they book a JDM tour.
Yes. Right. Yes. So guys, nice to meet you guys. Santiago here. The thing is, Daikoku, Japan, right?
Yeah.
Respectful culture.
Yeah.
So when you come here, the biggest thing, don't touch people's cars. Don't lean on their cars.
Yeah, true.
And
Absolutely.
some foreigners, they just like, boom.
I think that's a general rule all over the world. It should be.
Especially the girls. So don't lean on people's cars, don't touch people's cars,
Yeah.
and there's a passing through, and the cars stop like this, right?
Yes.
You can walk in the middle, but if the car comes, if someone's coming, please leave it.
Yeah.
Leave it.
True, absolutely.
And at the end, at the exit,
Yeah.
people stay there to see the cars trying to do some crazy. I understand there's some
don't force
viral
the cars
videos.
to do that.
Don't
Please,
force people.
guys, don't force the people. They were crashed last season, where people overreacted and they drifted into the wall, right?
Not
So,
really
yeah.
slide it.
Yeah,
That's
don't
not
slide.
drifting.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you can go there. There's some people who do show off, do crazy. I do also shoot some flames too.
But I think we saw that earlier.
Oh, really?
No.
It wasn't me. AI.
No, it wasn't you. It was the other car. We don't know the
Oh,
guy.
the black GTR.
Yeah, no. Well, I don't know. We figure out.
Yeah. So, don't touch the cars and stuff like that. And
So in case of booking the experience.
yeah.
So we spoke in the car and earlier yesterday about that there are also a lot of scammers.
Yes.
So when I'm coming to Japan for holiday, maybe with my wife and the son, and I want to do a JDM tour, how do I figure out if it's a scammer or if it's like, is there a system behind where I can check?
All right. There's a websites like TripAdvisor, Get Your Guide, Klook, and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But those websites, they have the people that actually do the real stuff, and some of the people they claim they will come with certain car, and they come with a Prius and some van, some Hiace, whatever, and they say, "Oh, my car broken down."
Yeah.
And the worst one is they post other people's cars.
Yes.
They come with a Prius, say they broke it down. You go to Daikoku, when you arrive, and you see the same car, you see the photos.
So would it
Because
make
they don't
sense?
own it.
Would it make sense to check the Instagram before?
Yes.
Like to say, hey, show me your Instagram, show me your cars. Is this like a bigger group? Are you the organizer? What would be a good question to figure these things out?
I mean, send the photo of the real car if it's true, you know,
Yeah,
if they
that's
have
a good
real
point,
videos of the cars rolling out.
Yeah.
Because at the Get Your Guide, I think, you're not allowed to post videos.
Yes,
are you?
true. Yes.
So
yes,
it's kind of complicated to check
that's
on
true.
it.
Yeah.
So if they have the name on the Get Your Guide, you can look for the same name on YouTube, Instagram, on X. They must have it.
Yeah,
if they don't, maybe
absolutely.
there's something weird.
Yeah,
right?
I mean, if they don't have Instagram, there's something weird going
Possibly.
on, right? If you say, hey,
Possibly.
send me your Instagram, please, we can exchange DMs there. The chances that you get scammed are lower.
Yes, sir.
The next thing I figured out is that you can ask the question, do you have a professional license to drive around people?
All right, so
Right.
to be a tour guide, you actually don't need it.
Yeah.
I
okay.
took it, I have it, but actually you don't need it.
You don't need it. Okay.
When you come to the car and they drive you around, when you arrive to the spot, the first spot, second spot, or whatever, if they do a explanation, a guided tour explanation, what this spot is, how it became so, and every detail about the spot, this is the tour guide. You don't need a level 2 license.
Yes.
But once you come to the spot, they just like 1 hour and go. It becomes an illegal taxi.
Ah, okay.
So you must entertain the people with explanation about what's going on and why it is, the history, the background of the place itself.
Yes.
And the other place you can find people is Akihabara Station.
Yeah.
Right? They have a lot of sports car. stopping there with the signs like if you want to go to Daikoku Tours, we take you out.
Absolutely.
And Shibuya as well, as I do. I stay in Shibuya, right? And that's all.
That's cool.
Find the place, find the cars.
Really cool. So,
and just one moment.
Yes.
The people who stand in Akihabara and Shibuya, for me, it's not because only I'm doing so.
Yeah.
You actually see the car you're gonna ride.
I mean,
so
that's a very important point.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So I prefer bringing my car and let people know you're gonna ride.
Okay.
This.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, this is a cool thing. If you come in on Sunday, and you're gonna have to trip on Wednesday, ask the people if you can see the car before, and you can meet up front, just say hi, and then have a drink or eat some nice ramen, and then do the tour like 2 days after, right?
Yes, sir.
Really, really cool. All right. So, in case of prices, there's a big range.
Yes.
And it's depending on how long the tour is, often, because there's some, even YouTubers who often tours, who go like over a day, and then they're like very short tours, like 3 to 4 hours, and they're like, not gonna say budget, because it's still a lot that you can see.
Yes.
But I think the pricing can be very different, right?
Yes. If you're thinking in booking, measure something around minimum 20,000 to over 100,000.
Really?
Depends which the car.
Yeah. That's good. So everything above 100k is scam.
No, it's not a scam.
I mean, if they drive around in a Miata and want 150k, it's possible scam.
But if, for example, yesterday I had 2 customers, they paid 100 each to take them to Fuji.
Yeah, okay, that's then another thing. Yes. Absolutely.
So it's way far, way longer travel and all the stuff.
I mean, this is what I said when I mean it's about what is the tour about, right?
Yes.
If you have like a daily tour to Mount Fuji, that's 150k easily in a GDR like that, right?
Yes, and I will do a lot of pulls.
Of course. And you also, what I saw yesterday in the Instagram post from you, you also do some cultural stuff with them.
Yes.
Right?
I take them to the shrines and places like that.
Yes, and I think this is something really, really important. I mean, we all love cars and we all like JDM guys and BMW guys and things. But this country has such a deep culture that I think it's absolutely worth if you have a tour guide that also speak Japanese and knows about the culture and the history of the country.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we're gonna now drive to the next place. We're gonna speak later a little more on. Right. You guys watch some clips of the cars we find tonight in a rainy night at Daikoku. In 3, 2, 1, let's go! So the next station on our tour is the famous Tokyo Tower, and this is pretty impressive though, because the view that you have here, and I'm sorry for being that other because I left the original camera in the car and a friend of us joined us with a Ferrari, and I think these two guys having the day of their life, right? So the cool thing is here, the view. I mean, we have sakura trees over here, there you go. There have been better days and yeah, the view is just fantastic. So we now gonna drive to our last location. We bring the customers back to Shibuya and yeah, let's see where this night will end. So far, pretty dope trip.
Okay. Let's hear it.
Two happy customers.
Very happy.
Very pleased.
You're honest, and this is really important because this video is actually about if people book a JDM tour, they have to watch the video first so they know what happens. This is not scripted, this is really raw.
Not at all.
So give me please your honest feedback. From the booking, till the driving, till the tour itself, what do you guys think?
The booking's super easy. All you got to be is at Shibuya around this time of night and it's fantastic. It's super easy to sort out. The pickup was on time. Instagram DMs, we got in the car, away we went. All absolutely fantastic. I can't recommend it enough.
The expectation was up there.
Yeah.
Very high. And it absolutely smashed through it. It was incredible.
Big time.
You need to make sure you go with this man though. He knows what he's doing.
No, they all know mine was better. They all know what they're doing.
So we're gonna let the viewers decide. I mean, you hear the pops and bangs. We saw you in the red GTR.
Yeah.
We saw the camera inside mounted in our GTR. Let me know in the comments which part of the driving scene you guys like the most.
Yeah.
Two happy customers.
Very happy.
Absolute recommendation.
100%. It's a must do, must do.
Nice. Then thanks so much for joining us tonight.
Thanks, brother. My
Appreciate
pleasure.
it.
I look forward to
And,
seeing the videos, man.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, man.
And yeah. Catch you in the next one, guys.
Right,
Thanks,
Okay?
brother.
care, man.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, bye. It's already late, so we now have some dinner. I think we're gonna eat some ramen, and let's see if we drive to Umahotaru or Daikoku, to Umahotaru or Tatsumi PA. Catch you in a bit, guys. So I was so excited that I really forgot to record that part because Santiago let me drive his GTR. After we had some fantastic ramen, Santiago, as you will see in a bit, let me drive his GTR from Shibuya to Tatsumi PA, and I'm still astonished by the feelings and the emotions I had there. Absolute blast. So big shout out to Santiago, you know, watching some clips of me driving his GTR, and we'll finalize everything when we're at Tatsumi PA. Let's go. Driving.
When it's red, you can go. When it's green, you can't.
Okay, I understand. This is so dope. Driving a GTR in fucking Tokyo. Man, what a video.
Gotta make it happen.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh. It's just happening. This is so dope.
900.
Oh yeah, it's way more aggressive.
It's different, right?
It's way more aggressive. Holy moly.
You didn't do nothing yet.
No, I just
And you
push.
just feel it, right?
I just push and it's direct. It's more direct, you know?
Try, no, straight. Go,
Yeah.
go, try. See?
Wow. Why the hell is that so fast?
Oh shit.
That's crazy! Oh my god!
Oh my shit.
Oh,
Now I know what my customers feeling.
it's crazy.
It's good.
It's crazy. The feeling is so crazy. The car is just, I'm just tipping a bit, okay? It's not even full throttle, okay? Because I'm a little bit in fear to push full.
Yeah, you can see. Here, the throttle.
Yeah. It's like 40% something? Yeah.
Yes. hold.
Oh my god!
Hold the cancel. Throttle. Everything.
Okay guys, so I was just driving GTR in Tokyo. I don't know what to say, man. This is so cool. I really appreciate it. I don't know what to say. It's crazy. So fantastic JDM Tour. I mean, we have to say that driving your GTR is not part of the tour.
No.
Okay? We did it just because I want to check the ASOS on the system, and
we ate together, we become friends, so you know.
Yes. One big thing we need to clarify, because it's very important. We spoke about it in the last video when you had the crash, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of people, I mean, there was a lot of people rage baiting actually about that one, and they did wrong, right? I know now, because we're gonna blend in the pictures now of the car a little bit, and he crashed into you because he fell asleep on the steering wheel, and that's exactly what you see in the police report as well.
Yes, sir.
Right? So don't rage bait. Okay?
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Yes, don't judge a book by its cover. Mate, I don't know what to say. Fantastic day.
My first time on my car too, so I had fun.
How was it?
Yeah, it's crazy though. So now when I talk to the customer, I'm gonna tell you, yo, bro, it's crazy. I roll the passenger seat. I know how it is now.
It's. I mean, the thing is,
he shot a huge flame on the tunnel. Everything became bright daylight. I was in the passenger seat. Boom! Everybody, boom! Shit!
That was so dope. I don't know what to say. Hey, guys, do me a favor. We're gonna link your Instagram down here. If you want to book a JDM tour, a clear recommendation, okay? A clear recommendation, and reach out to him directly. They got 2 cars at the moment.
No, I have my own.
It's your own?
And I have some people who are run with me.
They run with you, yes. But you'll be the organizer of that one. Yes, that's what I was about to say, yeah. So, drop him an Insta DM. He will be happy to go. The prices are super fair. Prices only via Instagram, please. Check his Instagram.
No, I can say the price.
Yes, say the price. There you go.
Yeah.
30,000?
35,000.
35,000.
GTR 35.
Yes.
And that's for the normal tour.
Yeah.
It is we did it today. We live in Shibuya. And we're gonna have the shop, as you met the guy.
Yes.
We're gonna have a shop for you guys to come first, eat, drink, and play with simulator.
Yeah.
And then we come to the bar, pick you guys up. We go to Daikoku, stay there for a while, and then 1 hour, and then we go to Tokyo Tower, take some photos, and then we bring it back to Shibuya.
Yes.
The 60,000 yen is we leave earlier, 1 hour.
Yeah, you told
1 hour
me
and a
about
half
that.
earlier.
Yes.
We go to 8-pit Autobox.
Yeah, that's pretty. By the way, between you and me, I know 8-pit Autobox pretty well. This is a have-to-see thing in Tokyo. It's Toys R Us for car guys.
Yes.
Right? Yes.
And prepare the wallet.
Yeah.
You're gonna spend some money.
You better do so.
And also some of my clients, they buy big stuff and I send to them later.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's pretty cool. I mean, that's a good offering, by the way, right?
So we go to 8-pits. After the 8-pit, we go to Daikoku.
Yeah.
Stay there for a while. While we're going, we're gonna shoot flames. And we stay there for 1 hour. On the way back, we come here at Tatsumi right now. And after that, we're gonna fill the C1 loop highway, because it's the same as some movies. One Gun Midnight, the anime.
I know.
Actually, the C1 is the loop that people, even to this day, they still running fast like there's no tomorrow. So you're gonna feel the real loop that everybody does, and then I will drop in Shibuya.
Nice.
So it's plus 8-bit and Tatsumi and C1.
And also you do daily tours, like the Mount Fuji tour. But these are only on request, right? Because it takes a lot of effort to prepare.
Yes.
So, and there's also a really cool cultural thing. Maybe we're gonna see it in future on this channel. Let's go. And guys, if you still watching the episode, you guys know what to do. And until then, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Subscribe. Give a like. Buy the merch.
Cheers. Bye bye.